please welcome our CEO of Google and Alphabet, Sundar Pichai.
Hello, everyone. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us for this year's Cloud Next. It's so great to see all of you. There's a lot of exciting things in store for you over the next few days, so let's get started. As I was walking over to the convention center this morning, I remember the last time we were on the stage. It was back in 2019. Thomas had recently joined as Google Cloud CEO, and he shared his vision for helping customers through digital transformation. And I remember feeling like it was the start of something really exciting. Fast forward 4 years, Thomas and team have built Google Cloud into one of the top enterprise companies in the world. In my conversations with business leaders over the past few years, I've heard a similar theme. They want a partner that's been on the cutting edge of technology breakthroughs, be it from desktop to mobile, to the cloud, or now to AI. And a partner who can help navigate and lead through them. These shifts can be really exciting, and they can also bring uncertainty. That's definitely true of the shift to AI. It'll be one of the most profound shifts we'll see in our lifetimes. It will touch every sector, every industry, every business function, and significantly change the way we live and work. This isn't just the future. We are already starting to experience the benefits right now. As a company, we've been preparing for this moment for some time. And for the last 7 years, we have taken an AI-first approach, applying AI to make our products radically more helpful. We believe that making AI helpful for everyone is the most important way we'll deliver on our mission in the next decade. That's why we have invested in the very best tooling, foundation models, and infrastructure across both TPUs and GPUs. These underlying technologies are helping us transform our products and businesses, and they'll help you transform yours. Let's take search. We have spent the last 25 years trying to perfect Google search. And by the way, we are still not done. Today, we are using generative AI to reimagine the experience and take more of the work out of searching. We call this the Search Generative Experience, or SGE for short. SGE uses advanced AI to help you get the gist of a topic quickly with an overview, easily follow up on questions in a conversational way, or even make coding tasks easier. We've had really great feedback so far, helping us learn and improve fast. As we build generative AI into search, we are drawing on years of insights and technology development to harness and deploy AI at scale. Google Cloud is how we provide these same insights, tools, and platforms to help you all innovate too, sharing the best of our AI directly. And it's been really exciting to see how customers have started using generative AI in just a short time. Let me give you a few examples. GM is using Google Cloud's conversational AI in its OnStar connected vehicles. And they'll continue to explore other ways to apply chat and document analysis to give drivers information when they need it. HCA Healthcare is collaborating with Google Cloud to bring MedPalm, our fine-tuned large model for healthcare, to help doctors provide better patient care. And US Steel, a leading manufacturer, is using generative AI to empower technicians to summarize and visualize instruction manuals so they can make needed repairs. This is only scratching the surface of what we have seen since making our foundation models available through our cloud AI platform called Vertex AI. Since March, tens of thousands of developers are now using over 100 AI models on Vertex, building generative AI applications. We are working with partners across our open ecosystem to expand the variety of models customers can choose so they have the right model for whatever they want to create. Another area we are excited about is how generative AI can transform how businesses get things done. At I/O, we previewed Duet AI. We think of it like an intelligent collaborator, one that's always by your side. More than 1 million people are already using Duet AI in Google Workspace to write in Gmail and Google Docs, create custom Google Sheets, generate images from text descriptions in Google Slides and Meet, and much more. As people have been testing, we've been listening and rapidly improving based on their feedback. And starting today, we are announcing the general availability of Duet AI in Google Workspace. We are also announcing new features and upgrades for Duet AI in Google Cloud Platform and expanding access to the preview. Customers can now use it to write code, as well as deploy and manage applications using the most popular dev environments. As exciting as the AI opportunity is, we all need to be clear-eyed about the potential challenges. That's why Google Cloud is so committed to developing and deploying technologies responsibly, with privacy, security, and safety at the core, and guided by our long-standing AI principles. One area we are focused on is making sure users can more easily identify when they are encountering AI-generated content online, including digital watermarking. Using technology powered by Google DeepMind SynthID, images generated by Vertex AI can be watermarked in a way that's invisible to the human eye without damaging or reducing the image quality. Verification tools are able to later search for these watermarks and identify whether the image was generated by AI. Today, we are pleased to be the first cloud provider to enable digital watermarking and verification for images generated on our platform. This product is now available in experimental preview to select customers, and there is much more to come. We will continue to be bold and responsible in our approach and make these powerful tools accessible so everyone can benefit. We truly believe we are embarking on a golden age of innovation, and we are excited for what we will build together with all of you. Now let's get to the rest of the show. Please join me in welcoming Thomas. Thanks, Thomas.
Thank you, Sundar. We're thrilled to bring all of Google's technology, the best, to help organizations around the world. I'd like to start by thanking our sponsors who are supporting this event and who help make our customers successful every single day, especially our luminary sponsors, Accenture, Cognizant, Deloitte, HCL Tech, and Palo Alto Networks. We all know that we're now in the midst of one of the most profound technology shifts in history. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, such as text, images, code, speech, or audio, by learning the patterns and structures of existing data and generating new data with similar characteristics. Our generative AI products are delivering real results in every single discipline. I'd like to take a moment to thank the many customers who are announcing AI innovations with us right here at Next. Today, we're announcing a number of important new products to help each of you use generative AI. First, to help the world's leading customers and developers build AI with our AI-optimized infrastructure and our AI platform for developers, Vertex AI. Second, to help every person use AI through Duet AI, our always-on collaborator in Workspace and Google Cloud. Third, to bring together the whole AI ecosystem to ensure that every organization can succeed in adopting AI. I want to start by talking about our AI infrastructure. Google Cloud's world-leading infrastructure delivers very high and predictable performance, unmatched reliability, and the very best security. We offer this infrastructure in our cloud regions, in your data centers with Google Distributed Cloud, and on the edge. Customers needing sophisticated infrastructure choose Google Cloud. For example, Yahoo is migrating over 500 million mailboxes with almost 550 petabytes of data and almost 500,000 vCPUs, a massive scale to improve Yahoo Mail services and e-commerce experiences. Indian automotive manufacturer Mahindra & Mahindra relied on Google infrastructure to sell 100,000 new SUVs, booked in just 30 minutes when they launched their online car buying sites. Governments, like the government of Luxembourg, are bringing modern digital services to their citizens using Google Distributed Cloud. As generative AI evolves, so do infrastructure requirements. Our ultra-scale, high-reliable AI supercomputing systems combine TPU and GPU accelerators, high-performance AI-optimized storage, scalable networking, offloads, and water cooling. We also provide world-class compilers and other software tools to optimize models, delivering the best performance, latency, and overall throughput. And we make it easy for everyone to consume with support for VMs and containers. Today, we're announcing 6 major advances. First, we're announcing our TPU v5e, a new highly efficient version of our custom-designed hardware which supports complex AI models at a fraction of the cost. Second, many customers use Google Kubernetes Engine for AI workloads. Today, we're launching a new product, GKE Enterprise, to enable multi-cluster horizontal scaling with GPUs and TPUs. Customers are already seeing 45% productivity gains while reducing software deployment times by over 70%. Third, following our G2 virtual machine announcement earlier this year, we're announcing the general availability of our A3 virtual machines based on Nvidia's latest H100 accelerated GPUs. A3 offers 3 times faster training, 10 times greater networking bandwidth than A2, ideal for incredibly demanding AI workloads. Fourth, we're introducing the Titanium system, a next-generation tiered offload architecture that underpins the performance advantages in our AI infrastructure. For instance, Titanium enables our C3 VM block storage to deliver 25% higher per instance IOPS than any other cloud. Fifth, for customers who want the infrastructure in their own data centers, today we're announcing general availability of the next generation of Google Distributed Cloud, which supports stringent connectivity, sovereignty, and regulatory needs. And sixth, we're introducing a brand new service, Cross-Cloud Network, to allow you to centrally manage, secure, and speed up applications across all your clouds and SaaS providers. All of these announcements offer our customers breakthrough levels of performance per dollar at the highest levels of reliability and scale. That's why more than 70% of generative AI unicorns are Google Cloud customers. Let's hear from them.
You can make amazing, breathtaking art.
Partnering with Google Cloud helps our mission.
The best way to predict the future is to invent it.
In history, humans were in charge of understanding computers. With Google Cloud solution, generative AI really brings something new to the table because it's the first time machines are speaking in human language.
Every once in a while, in the history of filmmaking, something comes along that changes the way we tell stories. First, it was the camera, then it was digital, today it's generative AI. We partner with Google Cloud to get the best inference we can to deploy these models to the next generation of storytellers.
By combining the amazing power of Google Vertex AI models and the unique typeface personalization capabilities, customers of all sizes can now produce amazing array of content, literally in minutes.
Partnering with Google Cloud, we can run our models more efficiently to train Claude or AI Assistant to be more aligned with human values. It's even funnier and more nuanced in its interaction with people.
Character.ai is building a new way to interact with technology from just talk to it. Google invented transformers and large language models and give us the computational power to train AI that feels alive.
To deliver the very best AI infrastructure to our customers, we invested heavily in capabilities across the AI infrastructure stack and have forged long-standing partnerships and collaboration. Today, we're announcing an expanded partnership with Nvidia. We're integrating serverless Spark with Nvidia acceleration libraries and Nvidia GPUs for data science workloads with Dataproc. We are the only serverless Spark offering that supports NVIDIA GPUs and are seeing significant performance improvements. You also heard a few minutes ago our announcement of the general availability of our A3 supercomputer based on NVIDIA's latest H100 accelerated GPUs. To share more about our partnership, I'm delighted to welcome NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang to Cloud Next.
Hey, Thomas.
Welcome. Thanks for joining me, Jensen. Welcome to Cloud Next. It's great to have you.
Thank you. It's super great to be here. Hi, everybody.
You know, we've announced the availability of some important new innovations with you and have shared more throughout this entire year. From all the announcements we've been delivering, what are you most excited about?
Well, generative AI is revolutionizing every layer of the computing stack. And our two companies, with two of the most talented, deepest computer science and computing teams in the world, are joining forces to reinvent cloud infrastructure for generative AI. And we're starting at every single layer, starting from the chips, H100 for training and data processing, all the way to model serving with L4. Now, this is a re-engineering of the entire stack, from the processors to the systems to the networks and all of the software, and all of this to accelerate GCP Vertex AI and to create software and infrastructure for the world's AI researchers and developers. So that's number one. Number two, we're so excited about the work that we're doing. We're going to put NVIDIA DGX Cloud in GCP.
That's great.
Yeah. This is DGX Cloud is NVIDIA's AI supercomputer. This is where we do our AI research. This is where we optimize our incredible software stacks. And all of this work that we do will instantly benefit GCP and all the people that work on it. And the third thing is ultimately to accelerate Vertex AI and AI models and AI software. The amount of work that we're doing together in AI software is really incredible.
One of the outcomes of this collaboration that I'm most excited about is that our foundational platform, Vertex AI, provides the foundation for how everyone consumes our generative AI LLMs. It's being integrated and running on Nvidia's latest H100 GPUs to be generally available in the coming weeks. And many of Google's own models and products also heavily rely on Nvidia. We're not just offering to customers, we're using it internally in developing our foundational technology. You know, Google and Nvidia have had such a long partnership, not only bringing the best Nvidia GPUs to the cloud, but also the software used to develop and deploy AI. Today, we use NVIDIA GPUs to build our next generation AI and serve models for our customers and users. Can you share a little bit about how our partnership is helping advance the field of AI in a way that benefits all these customers?
Well, generative AI and doing frontier work in this area in large language models is breakthrough, cutting-edge computer science. This isn't computing the old-fashioned way. This is a whole new way of doing computing. And so Demis and DeepMind and all the engineers at Google, we're working together to re-engineer and re-optimize the software stack, reinvent software. Starting from JAX, OpenXLA, the work that we've done to create frameworks that allows us to push the frontiers of large language models distributed across giant infrastructures so that we could save time for the AI researchers, scale up to gigantic next generation models, save money, save energy. All of that requires cutting edge computer science. And so today we're announcing the first fruits of our labor. It's called PaxML. This is a large language model framework built on top of JAX, built on top of OpenXLA, and the labor of love of some amazing computer scientists. Yeah, so this is really, really groundbreaking stuff. The second thing that we're doing is our teams are now starting to build the next generation processors and the next generation AI infrastructure. Google and ourselves, we're going to work on the first instances, one of the first instances in the world of our next generation AI supercomputer called DGX GH200, based on a revolutionary new chip, Grace Hopper. And so this is really, really amazing work that we're doing together.
Well, we're thrilled of the work our teams are doing with you. You know, for us at Google, it's a natural evolution of the AI market. You know, many people ask me, what's the relationship between TPUs, GPUs? How do you think about it? You know, very simply put, as AI evolves, the needs on the hardware architecture and software stack evolves, from training to inferencing to new capabilities like embeddings. And we want to offer customers the broadest, most optimized choice of accelerators. We're actually offering 13 different types of accelerators in GCP. Secondly, we're also a platforms company. Google's a platforms company at the heart of it. And we want to attract all those developers and customers who love NVIDIA's GPU technology, your software. And so it's a great, great partnership. And we are thrilled to have you. Thanks to your team for the amazing work they're doing with us.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Jensen.
All right, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, Thomas.
You know, we're starting to see amazing AI innovation in our everyday lives, whether at work or play or even what we watch. You know, Fox Sports, whether at work or play or even what we watch. You know, Fox Sports has been partnering with Google Cloud for 3 years to deliver innovation for broadcasts like the World Series. Let's hear directly from them.
Fox Sports has 1.9 million videos from games, equal to over 27 petabytes of data, and continues to ingest tens of thousands of hours of footage each month. We have trained models using all kinds of data, like celebrity recognition, object detection, and speech, to help understand foul balls versus fly balls or how the crowd reacts. At Fox Sports, we can now search our archives using natural language to find relevant clips, building content for fans more quickly and more easily than ever. So let's say the Phillies are in the World Series and we want to look back at memorable Phillies postseason moments. Our producers can instantly find Bryce Harper's epic home run, the swing of his life, even if they don't recall which year or which game. And we can even go further. What if we looked for key highlights at that moment? Or even the play call from the game itself. The swing of his life! When our editors find cool content, they can easily pull out the relevant portion and integrate it into our broadcast, making for an awesome fan experience.
Thank you, Fox Sports, for partnering with us to deliver moments that matter. On top of our powerful AI infrastructure, Google Cloud offers Vertex AI to help developers build apps using generative AI models and new services like enterprise search and conversations. Developers can use Vertex to discover, train, tune, test, evaluate, control, and deploy AI models. Vertex AI is seeing very rapid growth in usage and new projects. Customers and partners like Vodafone, DocuSign, Hackensack Meridian Health, Box, and so many more are already building with Vertex. SaaS partner UKG is helping managers easily create job descriptions with a new skills title graph solution. Estee Lauder Companies uses GenAI to integrate the voice of the customer to drive product innovation and improve the shopping experience. With generative AI, Estee Lauder Companies taps into social media and reviews to better understand evolving preferences across consumer groups. They leverage sentiment analysis to identify customer concerns, and now they can respond quickly to new beauty trends and demand for new products. All of this is built with Vertex AI, which helps further their goal of becoming the most inclusive beauty brand in the world. Through Vertex, we have major upgrades to many generative AI models. Today's new version of our text model, Palm 2, increases the input token length by 4 times, making it easy to process long documents like research papers, legal briefs, and entire books. And the new version of our text-to-code model, Cody, delivers up to 25% quality improvement for code generation and code chat. GitLab, for instance, uses Palm 2 for its Explain This Vulnerability feature. It is now integrating Cody into its code suggestions feature. Today's new version of our text-to-image model, Imagine, significantly improves the quality of generated images. We also offer industry-specific models, SecPalm for cybersecurity, MedPalm for healthcare. Today, we're making MedPalm available so customers can build applications using a model that accurately and safely answers medical questions. With our open model ecosystem, we offer over 100 models from Google, open source, and partners, including BERT, T5, Stable Diffusion, and VIT. Today, we're adding new models, including Meta's Llama 2, the just-announced Code Llama, TII's Falcon, and pre-announcing Anthropic's Claude 2. Vertex gives you full control and segregation of your data, your code and your intellectual property with zero data leakage. Your data, by which we mean input data, metadata, model outputs, and human feedback, is your data and no one else's. When you train, fine-tune, or serve your models with Vertex AI, with private documents or data from your SaaS applications or your proprietary databases, you are not exposing that data to the general foundation models, to Google's consumer services, other customers, or the internet. You are working with a snapshot of the model, allowing you to train and encapsulate it in a private configuration within your Google Cloud VPC and in your sole control. Let's now take a look at building a model and controlling your data in Vertex AI with Nenshad Bardaliwala.